Hey everyone, here today to talk about mods, rims, and tires. Behind me I have just a normal Evolution Ranger 4-Forward golf cart that I wanted to make some changes, but didn't want to spend $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or make drastic changes that I couldn't do in my garage. So I elected to go with some MODZ wheels and tires. These specifically are the 14-inch Mauler in red and black and are a great addition to any cart. You simply put it on a jack it up, take the lugs off, replace the new rims, and you have a totally different look, especially for a cart like Evolution that comes with some, maybe we can agree, some ugly factory rims and tires. These are easy. You just order them straight off of extremecarts.com for a great price. Once they're in a couple of days, you would just simply install them on your cart for a great look like this.